In Mag Manager, you can set up provisional bookings, a powerful feature to help you forecast and manage your sales. To create a provisional booking, choose a client and go to their Bookings tab. Click on the plus symbol next to the required publication, and a new pink row will appear, labelled TBC for provisional bookings. Next, click on the issues you would like to book, and then press Complete Booking. You can set up your booking as normal, but you may also notice this chance menu, which allocates the percentage likelihood of the booking being confirmed. You can now see these bookings are in pink on the Client's Bookings tab. You can easily view all of your provisional bookings in one place on the Bookings screen under the Provisional Bookings tab. You can also view an estimate of your expected revenue based on the probability you assign to your provisional bookings. To confirm a provisional booking, simply drag it by the Move icon to the required publication row, or go onto the Bookings Details page and click Confirm.